Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Filmora video editing series. So in the last class, we have covered almost all the options. So in this class, we are going to learn that how you can export the video. This is the main section. So you guys have to focus on this. So as you can see, here's the export option. You can click on this. You have to click on this. After clicking on this, we are going to see some basic options. For example, here's the option that a name. You have to write the name of the file, that a video name. After that, you have to select the location that where your video should be saved. For example, if you want picture, music, or for example, I want the video should be saved in the freelance, you have to select that location. After that, as you can see here, the preset. If you have saved any preset, you guys can, if you want to make changes, so you have to click on the setting. After clicking on setting, as you can see, these are the some video qualities. So as you can see, the video is good. You have to click on the good. If you want the better video, if you want the best, you have to click on the best. These all options should be same as they are. You just have to change these options. For example, if you want to increase, if you want that the video quality should be better, you can increase the kbps like 10,000, 15,000, other 20,000. And if you want to increase the frame rate or fps, you guys can also increase that. After that, you don't need to change anything and you have to press the ok. After pressing the ok, as you can see, this will be the size of the video around like 93 MB, and the duration of the video will be this. And here is the auto highlight. If you want that the video should be video highlight should be separated, so you guys can also export that. If you don't want, you have to click on this, that will be not, the auto highlight will be not made. So as you can see, here's another option, upload to cloud. If you want if you want to upload this on your cloud, you guys can also do that. You have to click on this. If you don't want, you have to if you don't want, you have to untick on this. So in this way, you guys can make changes in the device. For example, if you want to check about the device, YouTube, if you want to upload on the YouTube, Vimeo and DVD, these are the other options. You guys can do that as well. You have to log in on this one. You have to also log in the YouTube and the device. You have some C options as well. So simply you guys have to use the local. It is very easy to use and it will export the video very easier and faster. So I hope you guys understand this video. Simply what you have to do, you have to click on the export and the exporting of the video will be started. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can export the video. So see you guys in the next video.